Hello, online learning students. We're coming at you with a real quick video just to talk about the Social Studies department here for online learning. I am Mrs. Linda Meyer.
And I am Mr. Dugan.
And we are both teachers that teach the majority of the Social Studies subjects for our online learning program. I teach World History 1 and 2, honors and regular. 1 is typically taken in the fall, and 2 is normally in the spring, but you can take them as long as you have taken the previous course. Right? I also teach economics, which is required for graduation for our seniors. And I teach sociology, which is a social studies elective.
Very good. And I teach government, which is an elective for seniors. It is a required class for graduation. Government can be taken either semester. I teach U.S. History 1 and 2. U.S. History 1 is typically taken in the fall semester, but you can take it in the spring. U.S. History 2 is typically taken in the spring semester, but you may be taking it in the fall if you've already completed History 1. I also teach an elective, Law in Society, which can be taken either semester. We also wanted to make you aware of the opportunity that we have here on this campus, Barry Goldwater, and also at Boulder Creek High School campus. We have an online learning lab, and we have open lab times. Here at Goldwater, it is Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday from 3 to 7 every afternoon. Those 3 days. At Boulder Creek High School, it's going to be Tuesdays and Wednesdays. This lab is a great opportunity for you to come in and work with an actual teacher. Now, if you are taking a social studies class, you may show up for that lab and be working with a language arts or math teacher, but they can still help you. They will help you with Canvas, they can help you with some assignments. So please take advantage of these opportunities to come in and actually work with a teacher one-on-one.
And Mr. Dugan and I I'll be at Boulder Creek quite a bit, and Mr. Dugan will be covering a lot of Barry Goldwater hours, so you should at least be getting a social studies teacher about once a week.
Yes.
So if you have any questions, both of us work very closely together. In fact, we've worked together for 5 years.
That's correct. Yes.
So please just let us know if you have any additional questions, and we hope you enjoyed the welcome video.